Hi everyone, my name is Sayumi. I'm an instructor at JAM, and I want to show you guys how to play Angeline the Baker on the fiddle today. So you can either listen to the song and follow along that way, and you can also look at my fingers for assistance as well. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, play.